Showing here the server options that EPC can support. We have our traditional data center servers with a power shelf, and below we have the new artificial intelligence-based servers, also known as a Sidecar, where the power is separate rack from the information technology rack. Up here, every green block we have a potential solution for, starting with the PFC in the isolation stage, with IBC and POL, including the battery backup. On the Sidecar, we have the isolation stage. If it's 54 volt, we still use the IBC. If it's direct 12 volt, it goes into POL. So from the traditional server rack, we have some examples of solutions. The first one is the power factor correction solution. We use 200 volt GaN here in a multi-level totem pole PFC. It offers significant improvements in reduction in size for the EMI filter and the converter itself. The entire 5 kilowatt converter is only taking up a small area of 38 millimeters by 120 millimeters. This output is 400 volts and goes into a isolation converter. This is a 5 kilowatt 400 volt to 50 volt isolated converter, fixed ratio, and this is our first solution. We had many customers who asked us, can we shrink this down even further? So we took up the challenge and we came up with a new configuration. So this is now the new shrunk-down converter. It is half the size.
Can you show both of them side by side?
Yes, I can show that. And the way we shrank it down is we did magnetic merging of the magnetic cores, and you can see here that we went from one primary stage to two primary stages, and that we merged the rectifiers, two of them, into one. And now one of these modules is from 200 volt to 50, whereas before we needed two modules to do that. So now using two of these new modules, we have the same as four of these modules in the older design. Using this concept, we can also adapt it to do 800 volt to 50 volt, and this one can do 12 kilowatt. We also have our intermediate bus converters going from 48 volt to 12 volt. We have some examples here of 1 kilowatt 48 to 12. These are fixed ratio converters, and you can just see how small they are with the relative size of my thumb. All enabled by GaN.